Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, messages, check-ins, prediction, gabay. Okay, so gagamit tayo ng oracle ngayon. So, kuha tayo ng energies na pwedeng dumating ngayong May. Okay, in general. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po. And yeah. Okay, don't forget na i-follow yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below yung kanyang link. Pwede kayong mag-message sa ating FB page ng Love Letter about sa kung ano man ang gusto mong ipahayag, no, sa iyong special someone, special person mo, kay ex mo, yes, and itatago natin, no, yung inyong identity. So, yeah, ganun lang. And yeah, doon natin i-ere sa ating second YouTube channel yung message mo, no, malay mo, nandun pala siya, no, nakikinig. Gawin yung way, si Love Letter. And, syempre, all available. Yung ating mga items is all available. Ang tawag dyan, protection from evil eye. Yes, meron tayong ring, bracelets, and necklace. Okay? And syempre, yung necklace and bracelets is all both unisex. Okay? And yeah, yung ating love bracelet. So, love bracelet. Nung nakaraan may purchase nito na lalaki, no, so sabi ko okay, ilagay mo na lang sa red pouch. So yes, pwede. Okay, ibigay mo lang yung real name, ha, kung lalaki ka. And syempre excuse me, yung ating granter necklace and yung ating cord cut. So yeah, they're all available. So let's start the reading. Aries, bakit laging Aries? Air signs. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What's for you? Energy surrounding this month of May. Anong meron? Okay. Pero ano to, ha? Tawag dyan. Kung anong date. Okay? Kung anong date na nakalagay. Mas maganda. Kasi kung specific yung mababanggit ko, okay, kung specific, gawin nyo na parang kung anong date siya, doon nyo abangan. Okay? So, what's for you? Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Kuha tayong tatlo. Okay. So, curse in reverse. Okay. Ang ganda. So, medyo mayroon tayong protection. Okay, mula sa mga hate. Hate. Death in reverse. Okay. Right. Some of your air sign, nare-reject mo or marireject mo yung mga negativities ngayong May. Claim it. Claim it. Okay, makakaalis yung iba sa inyo pagdating sa sabihin nating cycle na meron. Okay? Kung merong something na parang hindi nagkaroon ng magandahan na flow nung mga nakaraang buwan. So, this month of May, may chance na umusad. Okay? May pag-usad ako nakikita rito. Yeah, lost. So, nakabaliktad siya. Meaning, sabihin natin may mag-gain. Okay? May magigain. So, let's see what's with this cursed in reversed. Ang galing nang magka-rhyme. Cursed in reversed. So, in general, pwedeng naitataboy or maalis yung mga dapat na negativities. Okay. Mga dapat na energy na iniaalis. Like the negative energy. So, what's with this cursed in reversed? Eight of Swords. Yeah! Oo, ang ganda. So, Eight of Swords in reverse, something, ang ibig sabihin is like, may aalis, makakatakas. Parang ganyan. The Eight of Swords Universe. Pagdating sa mga pag-iisip rin. Okay? Pwedeng this is like talking about attachments. Some of you. Okay? Focusing more on your career, business. If ever, mas makakapag-focus, mas makakapag sabihin nating effort, no? Sa mga dapat at mas importanteng gawin. Parang ganyan. Kasi yes, pag nakalis ka sa isang negative energy, 'di ba? Mas magiging magaan. Okay, so in general, mas magiging magaan. Pwedeng pamamera mo, pamumuhay mo ngayong buwan ng May. Okay? So what's with this death in reverse? Death in reverse. Yeah, Queen of Swords. Some of you, meron ditong mga legal na issues, legal matter. May chance na pwedeng mas magiging okay. Mayroong magiging magandang resulta. Okay? Meron ditong mabibigyan ng, sabihin nating magandang sagot. Ten of Pentacles Universe. Yung iba sa inyo, merong may ibabalik na pera. Okay? May ibabalik na pera. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Claim it. Claim it. Okay? So, yeah. Yeah, the Three of Wands Universe, the Sun. This is unexpected. Okay? So, may chance na walang binabanggit na date. Pero yes, sabi ko May. So, pwedeng sa loob ng buwan na to, may mga unexpected na magagandang energies, like surprises na pwedeng dumating sa buhay mo. Okay? May chance na about sa kung anumang conflict na nangyari sa past, pwedeng may mangyayaring maganda, may darating na maganda. Claim it. Okay? So, what's with this right in reverse? Some of you, merong mga masasagot na katanungan, kalinawan, darating ngayong May. Okay? Yeah, this is like detachment energy. Yeah, Seven of Swords. Detachment. The Four of Pentacles, yes. Specific, makakalis ka na sa iyong narcissistic person, narcissistic partner. Yeah. May malalaman kang sikreto about them na pwedeng magiging dahilan ng action mo. Okay? About dyan. Pwedeng, yes, may mahuhuli, may malalaman. Sabihin nating sa ikabubuti kung bakit mo malalaman. Sa ikabubuti, no? Sa ikaaayos kung bakit ipapakita sa'yo yung mga nakatago. Mga questions na pwedeng masasagot. Pwedeng mangyaring ganyan ngayong May. Okay? Yeah, see? The Ace of Swords. This is answer. This is clarity. Claim it. Okay? May makakalis na sa pagkakautang. Yeah. May makakalis na rin sa pagkakautang. Anyway, so there. That's good. That's good. Yeah, Ten of Pentacles. Money. Money is coming for you. Yes. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng makakalis ka sa sitwasyon or sa isang tao na nagbibigay lang sa'yo ng hindi magandang energy. That is why may chance na pwedeng makagawa ka ng decision about that. Pwedeng you'll cut them off, cut the person off, cut the situation off, and then mas magiging maganda yung flow ng pera sa'yo ngayong May. Okay, this is talking about cycles na pwedeng makakaalis ka na. That's nice. Okay, so there. So next, fire signs. So hi fire signs, what's for you this month of May? What's for fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sag. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What is for fire signs this month of May? Sana magaganda lang, no? Syempre naman. Pero, yeah, paano magkakaroon ng balance kung walang negative? Di po ba? Ganun lang talaga. Kapag may negative, gawing gabay. Para makaiwas. Okay, let's get 3 oracle. Fire sign, fire sign, fire sign. So first is readiness. Preparation, prompt, arrangement. So readiness, promise. Okay, that's responsible. Confirmation, assurance. Accident, danger, caution, injury. May nakukuha ko ditong energy, fire signs about sabihin nating andun yung risk. Okay? May something na parang gagawing risk. Meron din ako nakikita ditong energy about somebody who's so excited. Okay? So excited. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Yeah, andun yung energy ng pregnancy for some of you. Like, hindi handa ha. Pero parang magiging handa because of that. Okay, there's this unexpected situation na pwedeng mangyari this May, na pwedeng ihahanda ka. Okay? Or sabihin natin matututo kang maging handa. Yep. Okay. Avoid natin na mag-commit muna ngayong May. Or maniwala, or sabihin natin totally mag-give in sa isang situation na parang sa tingin natin hindi pa naman ganun ka okay. Yeah. What's with this readiness? So this is preparation, arrangement, managing siguro. What's with this readiness? Kunin ko to. Knight of Swords reversed. Yeah. Meron ako nakikita dito na parang sabihin natin, okay, i-go ko na to. Yeah, ngayong May, i-go ko na to. Parang ganon. Okay na to. Parang ganon yung energy. 3 of Wands in reverse. Some of you, meron ditong parang sobrang tagal na pinagplanuhan. Okay? Yung over-planning, may chance na pwedeng sabihin natin na di-delay na. Kasi kakaplano. Avoiding maybe the failures, no? Pero, yeah, kasama naman ng failure eh. Okay? 2 of Wands. Yeah, nagkaroon ng delay. 9 of Wands, yeah. So, some of you, may chance na merong gagawin na parang pinending mo nung mga nakaraan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Okay? Yung iba kasi sa inyo, may chance na kaya na pending kasi parang may hinintay pa kayo. Or parang may nagpahintay. I don't know kung ano yun. Okay? So, this is like a decision. An action na kailangan na dapat ginawa noon pa, pero natigil. Or na-stop nga. Or nagkaroon ng pause. Pero ngayong May, itutuloy. I don't know kung ano yun. Yeah, this is general. Okay? So, what's with this promise? Hindi nyo kailangan daw ng tulong iba sa inyo. Pwede mo namang gawin na ikaw lang. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Bulong lang. Okay? So, antong promise? What's with this promise? Justice. Oh! I'm hearing proposal. Yeah, I'm hearing proposal. Somebody is ready to propose this May. Are you ready? Okay. Oh, hindi yun para sa lahat, ha? Pero may nakuha akong ganong energy. Proposal or maybe an offer coming this May. May mga kasulatan dito ako nakikita. If this is talking about sa workplace, meron lang something like sabihin natin unexpected na mangyayari, kaya parang ikaw is yung parang nakikita ko na sa'yo ibibigay yung offer. That's specific. Okay? Leveling up. Pagdating sa relationship, meron nang i-engage dito. Meron ako naririnig merong may engage ngayong May. Yeah. Yeah, the Ace of Cups. An offer of love. Or siguro iba sa atin makaka-enter na sa isang, sabihin nating malakasang relasyon na to. No? Parang ganyan. Iba sa inyong single. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. Single. Singleness. Singlehood. Oo. So, may chance na enter na sa, sabihin nating strong connection or seryosohang relasyon ngayong May. May chance. Okay? Yeah. May iba naman. Yes, may promise pagdating sa sarili na okay, maghihil muna ako. Parang may ganong energy kasi si Ace of Cups is pouring love, no, pagdating sa sarili. Yeah. Meron nang mag-yes dito. Okay, may nakikita kong may mag-yes. May mag-a-accept. Nice. So, accident. So, what's with this? Accident. This is danger, caution, injury. So, yeah, physically, maybe. Be careful. What's with this accident? Two of Pentacles. Okay. Fire signs. This is so specific. Kung ikaw itong parang merong something na, sabihin natin may pupuntahan ka lang, no? Or meron kang decision na gagawin, or meron kang gustong gawin nga in general. Pero parang may humihila sa'yo na, wag muna. Follow your intuition, follow your instinct. Okay? Or sabihin natin, mga simpleng bagay. You're on the road, driving, gusto mong magpagas. Okay, tapos andyan na, meron ng gas station. Pero sabihin, ay wag ka dyan magpagas, doon na lang sa kasunod. Sundin mo yon. Okay, this is a gabay. Yes. Or kung ikaw naman tong, parang ayoko munang lumabas. Pero, ganito, ganyan. May nakaschedule ako, pero parang ayoko lumabas. Sundin mo yun. Okay, sundin mo muna. Lalo naman kung hindi naman importante. Okay? Yeah. Yung parang may pagdadalawang isip. Yun, mga ganon. Ace of Pentacles. This is a gabay. Gabay. Okay? The world. You've been guided by universe. Okay, so it's up to you. It's up to you. Lalo na po pagdating sa pamimera. Yung iba sa inyo. Pagdating sa pamimera. Okay? So there. Yeah. Next. Water signs. Okay, water signs, what's for you this month of May? Pero kung may mga specific akong mabanggit, gawin yun sa date na nakalagay or sa kung kailan mo siya napanood. Okay? Water signs, what's for you? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, let's get 3. Okay. Friendship. Self-love, gift. Oh, this is nice. Energy of healing. Energy of, sabihin nating, going out with your friends. Yeah, in general, this is talking about healing. Yeah, healing. Yeah, self-healing, independence. Giving yourself, yeah, the love, oo, na kailangan sa sarili mo nga, no? So, going out with your friends, focusing on yourself more, this may may pagtaas ng energy pagdating sa'yo, water signs. Kasi nandun yung self-love, nandun yung self-care, nandun yung parang focus ka sa sarili mo, kung ano bang meron. Kasi yun nga, kapag alam mo na parang minamahal mo yung sarili mo, makakuha ka rin ng pagmamahal eh. Ganun yun. Kung anong ibinabato mo outside, kung anong frequency mo na ibinabato, yun ang babalik. Okay? So, if you're giving love, giving, sabihin natin, kindness sa sarili, yun din ang makukuha mo. Okay? Kasi yun ang ibinabato mo. Yeah. Okay? So, what's with this friendship? So, there's this connection na pwedeng mangyari. This may connections. Pwedeng may mga mabubuong connection. Could be, yeah, casual, friends, no? Or romantic, if ever. The High Priestess, Universe, yes. Hindi mo i-isolate yung sarili mo. Hindi mo hayaan yung sarili mong parang lagi na lang like wallflower, timid, parang ganyan, shy. No, ikaw itong parang lalabas-labas together with your friends, maybe having connection or more connection this May. Okay? Yeah, the moon. Sabihin natin para dun sa'yo. Okay? Para rin sa'yo to. Healing. Okay. Pwedeng, yeah, nighttime, parang ganyan. Madalas ang paglabas sa gabi. Together with your friends, colleagues, maybe. Or pwedeng may mabubuong ang mga connection. May mga makikilala ka. Bago. Okay? Some of you, this is through online. Pwede. Kasi some of you, nakikita ko na pwedeng gising. Yeah, late at night. Gising pa rin. And I don't know if you're searching for connections. May chance. Okay. So, what's with this self-love? Self-love. This is healing in general. Yeah, see? The star. Diba? Ang creepy, no? Ang creepy ng card. So, yeah, this is healing. Yep. Yeah, the Nine of Cups universe. Healing energy. Self. All about yourself. Parang focusing on yourself more. Yeah, Judgment in reversed. It's like, okay. Parang ganyan. Nakapag-desisyon na ako na unahin ko muna sarili ko ngayong May. Or you have to. Ha? You have to. So, may pagtaas po ng frequency. Pagtaas ng energies ninyong mga water signs ngayong May. So, makakuha ka ng magandang frequency pabalik ng energy na ibinato mo. Okay? So, what's with this gift? What's with this gift? Some of you may chance na talagang may mga mag-a-admire sa'yo, may mga makakapansin ng, sabihin nating pagbabago in general, pagdating sa self. Okay? So, may mga makaka-appreciate, mga ganyan. Yeah. Makakakuha ng mga compliments ngayong May. Hoy, water sign, ganto, ganyan. Ay, bagay sa'yo tong ganto, ganyan. Ay, mga ganung bagay ba? What's with this gift? Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, ikaw itong magre-regalo sa iyong nanay or tatay, I don't know. Yeah, ang tawag doon? Yung Mother's Day. Yeah, Mother's Day. Diba? The Queen of Pentacles. Pwedeng ikaw tong isa-surprise mo, si mother mo, father. Okay? Aunt, lola mo, lolo mo, parang ganun, no? Or ikaw ito na pwedeng makatanggap ng gift or present mula sa hindi mo inaasahan na tao. Yes. Yeah, the King of Cups. Wow. Wow. The Lovers. This is nice. Somebody will give. Oo. Sabihin nating unconditional love. Like appreciation. Sign of appreciation. People will appreciate you. Okay? They will. Okay, act of kindness. May mga ganun ako naririnig. Some of you, there's this person na magkakagusto sa'yo or may gusto sa'yo. Okay? Kahit i-reject mo to, they're open. Napakabait. Or pwedeng ikaw ito na pwedeng nagpaplano na mag-reach out sa isang person na naging parte. Oo, the Wheel of Fortune Universe na naging parte ng buhay mo. I don't know. Okay. So, there. Okay, so Page of Swords, communication coming in. So, next. Okay. Marriage. Next is Earth signs. Okay, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What's for you? Energies surrounding the month of May. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Earth signs. What's for you? Kung may specific na mabanggit, gawin sa date na nakalagay or kung kailan mo ito mapapanood. Okay? Specific. Kung general, yeah, this is for the month of May. Okay. So, we have vow and luck in reversed. Anyway, so, let's get 3 for Earth signs. Some of you are still attached sa mga bagay or tao, situation na pwedeng nagbibigay ng or parang naghihila sa'yo pababa. Pwedeng nakaka-apekto sila sa'yo in general. So, what's for you, Earth signs? Earth signs. Okay. Aid in reversed. So, this is mercy, charity, kindness. So, I think some of you hindi mo masyadong mararamdaman yung paghingi. Okay? Yung paghingi ng tulong, mga ganyan. No, parang ganyan. Or maybe you'll reject. Okay? You'll reject. Anyway, so, memory and sweetheart. Meron ditong parang nag-a-act na strong. Acting strong outside, pero inside they're soft. Meron ditong gustong i-survive yung isang connection. Okay, I don't know. Let's see. Somebody wants to make memories with you. Hindi ka manghihingi sa kanya. Because they will give you kung anong gusto mo, kung anong kailangan mo. They know what you need. What's with this aid in reversed? The Sun. Yeah, this is happiness. I'm hearing gratitude. Help. Yeah, parang hindi mo kasi kailangan humingi eh. Okay, like darating at darating, andun yung energy ng nakaka-survive. Parang ganyan. Okay, the moon, the sun. Sabihin nating ganyan. Pero kaya. Parang, yeah, nakaka-survive naman. Parang ganun. Pero being the sun is here, this is talking about, sabihin nating happiness. acceptance, clarity, in general. Some of you, hindi na ikaw para maghingi or manghingi ng clarity or closure sa ibang tao or whatsoever na pwedeng magpo-provide ng happiness sa'yo. Parang ikaw na mismo yung magbibigay ng happiness sa sarili mo. Yeah, the Queen of Cups. Some of you, ikaw itong parang sinusuportahan ka emotionally ng isang tao or pwedeng suportahan ka ng isang tao emotionally, ha? Okay? Kung sino man to na gustong kumonek sa'yo, they love you. Really, really. Okay? Unconditional love ang nakikita ko dito. Hindi nila kailangan ng kapalit. Okay? The Knight of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, the Knight of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles. They're really into you. Hindi ka para maghanap, hindi ka para mag-beg for them. Assurance, bibigay niya sa'yo yun. Kahit hindi mo hingiin, kung sino man. What's with these memories? Yeah, this person wants to build memories, wants to make memories with you. Parang itong taong to nakikita nila na gusto ko lang makasama forever. Like, sigurado na siya sa'yo. Nakakuha ko ng energy na ganun pagdating sa'yo, ha? Earth signs. What's with this memory? The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. And Strength. Star. Rebuilding. Ang nakukuha ko dito. Andun yung energy ng failure sa past. Pero mas magiging okay ka ngayong May. Magiging mas strong ka ngayong May. Yeah. The Star, the Hermit. Some of you, ikaw itong parang sabihin nating pipiliin ang pipiliin. In general. Ikaw lang yung pipiliin. Ikaw lang yung nakikita. I don't know kung ano to. Okay? Your health is going good. Going good, going fine, going great. Parang ganyan. Improvement pagdating po sa health. This is health in general. Pero kung meron kayong underlying medical issues, kung naman medical matter, then, yeah, kailangan mo magpatingin. Okay? Kailangan mo magpatingin. Lalo na kung meron kang history or something like, alam nyo na merong tumatakbong history sa family. Kailangan nyo magpatingin. Pero may nakikita ko dito na parang mas magiging okay physically or maybe, yeah, in general, mas magiging okay. Yeah. Some of you, there's this connection na pwedeng magpo-provide ng kung anong kailangan mo para sila yung para magiging healer or makakatulong sa'yo para mag-heal. Maalis yung trauma mo. Mga ganong bagay. What's with this sweetheart? Yeah, unconditional love. Pure. Beloved. Who is this? What's with this sweetheart? The Moon in reversed. Some of you, ikaw itong makikita mo na yung person na para sa'yo talaga. This May. Yeah. Money is doing good. Yeah, money is doing good. You don't need aid. You don't need help. So, in general, okay, the Sun. The Moon in reversed. The Nine of Swords. The Fool in reversed. Meron ditong i-reveal this May. Merong i-reveal 999. Okay, meron akong angel number 999. I mean 9999. That's 4 nines. Okay, plans, yeah, judgment. Meron dito ako nakikitang may mari-reveal. Some of you, I'm hearing pregnancy. Pregnancy for some of you. Okay, so yeah, be careful if you're not ready. The sun, meron tayong sun dito, Queen of Cups. Be careful. Okay, may chance nga ng pregnancy dito kasi yeah, meron ditong about health. Okay. Yes. Alam yun, may narinig ako, ha? This is specific, not for all. Meron ditong nagpalinis ng ano. Tawag dyan? Matres. Oo. Or sabihin natin mas nagiging okay. Oo. Mas nagiging okay na yung situation ni matres. Not specific. Not for all. Pero yeah, kailangan ko sabihin yon. Be careful. Yung mga hindi pa ready. Okay? So, I cannot. O, diba? Anyway. Sheesh. Okay. Yeah. So, yun lang ang akin nakikita for you. All signs, again. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our every page. And yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Yeah, kita tayo dun. And again, thank you. Goodbye.